Hi, and welcome back on the road. We're making our way down the beautiful Spanish coastline, and in this episode we hang out in Torrox with parts of the TAVERNES gang. Watch our last episode to see some more of them and how we ended up meeting on the roads. Links in description below. And we're now just south of Nerja in Andalucia, Spain. Please subscribe and keep joining our travels.
MiluCar, and this little campsite is called yesterday, and it's situated like along the ocean, so we have a really nice view of the ocean there. And then sort of 7 k's that direction is Nerja. I'm really bad at pronouncing that. And then like 1 k in the other direction is a little town called Torrox. So we're just now getting ready to go for a bit of a bike ride. Henrik's putting the bikes together, and today we plan to take the bikes into Nerja to just explore a little bit. I've heard heaps of good stuff about Nerja, and it's supposed to be really beautiful, so it's gonna be a nice day. And the sun's out, and yeah, just having a bit of a good vibe here.
Can't see any facial expressions.
No, you have to use your whole body. So this is a bit of a beach walk here in Nerja, and I think this beach is called El Playoso. And today, like, the sea is so calm, it is just the most amazing view. So biking here, we came all along the coastline there, and we're parked up over there somewhere. It's just beautiful to bike just along the ocean with the view of the mountains and everything. Hello. Hey. Did it. Look at that color of the water when the sun is shining on it. It's amazing. Oh, I can just stand here, watch it forever, really. Regnbågstrappan! Enjoying a bit of a walk along the boardwalk here. As you can see, it is very empty. Feels to me like everything's pretty much deserted, but whether it's COVID or whether it's just the fact that it's low season and it's not really that many tourists. Well, either way, but it's also COVID, isn't it? But it's a very beautiful city. So we're going to continue up there and just have a look at the beach on the other side and have a bit of a stroll in the city as well.
It's nice that Zeke don't have to have like this overall and running around in the slush.
Yeah, I know.
Snow.
Yeah, I know.
And when he's just learning.
I don't miss layering the kids with clothes. It's just really nice that you can just put them in a t-shirt and some trousers and they're good to go, right? Yeah. Yep.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Not many people around.
No.
It's great.
It's very scenic though. And there's like heaps of houses up on those mountains. They must have the best view, honestly. And then, no, like such a nice place. I can really understand that this would attract like heaps of tourists in high season, or if it weren't for COVID or whatever. But there's like little bars and restaurants everywhere, but they all seem to be closed, which is all right. I mean, we were only off for a little stroll anyway, and we're probably gonna come back as well. Nice city and some nice beaches. Right now we're waiting for our German friends to arrive. They should be here any minute. Manne is just keeping a lookout in the window for the very significant purple truck. Come on, Damien and Killian.
Purple truck.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello. Man, inte gå så nära. High five! High five!
We did an early beach morning today. I took Zeke and the boys. Manne and Damien is just up at the play park. It was just such a beautiful morning, and you know, we have the view of the ocean from the motor, and when it looks like this, I just want to wake up and I want to run down to the beach, because it's just amazing with sunshine, and when it's this calm and nice. And yeah, and this little monkey couldn't resist the water either. It was very, very cold though. Even you thought so, didn't you, Zeke? It's a little bit too cold for a swim. Yeah, but we dipped our toes, and yeah, it's gonna be a really, really beautiful day today. We have about a week to go until Christmas now, and I'm just really loving it. And I officially lost my shoe. Might just pray for it to come in, because it's just a little bit too deep for me to go out there and get it. Bye, shoe. A bit more graceful, I would say. The beach. So we are now sort of in the middle between where we're staying, which is just over there, and then you have Nerja, and then to the other direction, over there is a little town called Torrox. But the sea has just been amazing these last couple of days. Like, look how calm it is. It's just amazing to watch it. And the sand here, not sure if it's like because it's a volcanoes or the mountains or anything, but the sand is all black. Isn't that pretty cool?
This is how you catch the drone.
No, it's not.
A little too high. Attempt 2. Catch the drone.
No.
This is how you catch it.
Oh no, you didn't. Oh shit.
All right. Sorry,
Yeah.
drone.
Yeah.
To be working. And after that rather stupid experiment, with catching the drone, I had to do some maintenance on it because the prop or 3 of the props wouldn't spin. So I got sand in the motors, the tiny motors. So I've taken them apart, give them a good clean, and now all of them are spinning fine. I'm just gonna put the last one back together. So after that little misfortune, we're gonna try and see if it still works. So let's see. Just hopefully it doesn't just go in a random direction.
Yeah, there we go. Good.
And the gimbal seems to be working now, I think.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Found a spot for Christmas, so we're getting ready to go. She's just reading off our electricity meter, which probably gonna cost us a lot. We consumed a lot of power. Oh well, off we go.
Stop again, and we're making some coffee, and we're just gonna have a fika, enjoying these views. Oh, it is so stunning, absolutely amazing. Very good spot for a fika, hey?
See you next week when we get ready for and celebrate Christmas in Spain. So if you want to get in the now a little bit late Christmas spirit with us, stay tuned, subscribe, and see you next week.